get, Lewis? What kind of catfish? Big flathead, right? Yeah. Have you ever had flathead? We're gonna keep them. We're gonna clean them. All right, buddy. Okay, let's clear the live well area. Okay. Okay, lift them up. Put them in the live well. He's in. Pretty awesome, huh? Okay, this one's gonna take a little bit more finesse. You got the line pulled all the way out. Okay. Hang on. He's big. Okay. Hang on. All right. Good work. Big channel. Pull him up out of the water. Big channel. Good work. All right. Woo! Nice flatty. Now you can grab them right in the mouth with those. They won't hurt you. The big thing is just to hold on. You want me to show you quick, or?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just take one. This is how I grab them. Just this big guy right here. Right there. That lower lip. Thumb. See where I'm jamming my thumb? Just like that. Just like that. You can do that with all of them. Just want to make sure he's not in the water still, because he's going to kick at you. Turn his back towards me. Alright.
You want to pick one?
Nah.
I'm good.
Alright, you can put him back in. Take one of any other ones?
No.
Just one of the one with that guy.
Yeah. The first one?